We came up with building an indoor park and equipment for it that's specifically for the children with special needs. It makes me feel happy that other children can have the same opportunities that regular kids can.
So we want the children to have fun, and maybe they could make some friends with disabilities just like them. Parks are just for kids like me, just regular. And kids with disabilities can't really enjoy the same way. It's kind of like all men are created equal, and they deserve to get the same privileges.
So, it's great. We've always had a great partnership with the school district, and if we can work together to make sure the special needs kids are met better than we have, then I think that's a great opportunity for us to do that.
And to see these students to want to be inclusive of all their friends and family, and to think that through and figure out, problem solve, and come up with solutions, to not accept that to be the norm. It just warms my heart. This is a great opportunity for the city of McAllen, for the McAllen School District, for our families, for our neighbors, and more importantly, it's an example for others to follow as we go throughout the Rio Grande Valley and beyond.